We already have some people chips in this spreadsheet. You can position the mouse over them to see contact details. If we type the @ symbol followed by a company name into a cell and start typing the address, places will be suggested to us. If we position the mouse over the place chip, we can preview the place or show directions to that place. You can also use the @ symbol to enter quick dates, such as today's date or yesterday's date. If you type @date, you can choose a date from the date picker. Remember, any text in your sheet can be converted to a smart chip if it matches. If we select these corporation names, we can convert them to finance smart chips. Position the mouse over a finance chip to see stock information and view more details through Google Finance. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris to find out more about Google Workspace.